Tired of wrestling with time calculations in Excel? Let's unlock the secret to instantly converting hours into minutes with a super simple formula. First, open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. We're going to imagine you have a list of hours you want to convert into minutes for this tutorial. I'll assume your list of hours starts in cell A1. In cell A1, let's type the header hours, and in cell B1, let's type minutes. This just helps us keep our data organized. Now, let's say you have 2 hours listed in cell A2. To convert these 2 hours into minutes, we'll use a straightforward formula. Click into cell B2, where you want your first result to appear. Then, type an equals sign, followed by the cell containing your hours, which is A2 in our example. Next, type the multiplication symbol, and then the number 60, so your formula will look like this: equals A2 times 60. When you press enter, Excel will magically display the equivalent minutes. So, 2 hours becomes 120 minutes. This works because there are 60 minutes in an hour, and we're simply multiplying your hour value by the number of minutes in an hour. Let's try another one. If you have 5 hours in cell A3, in cell B3, you'd enter the formula equals A3 times 60. Press enter, and you'll see 300 minutes. Easy, right? To convert your entire list of hours, you can use the fill handle. Click on the cell with your first converted minutes. Like cell B2, you'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. That's the fill handle. Click and drag this handle down to the cells corresponding to your other hour entries. Excel will automatically apply the formula and calculate all your conversions. And there you have it. You've successfully converted hours to minutes in Excel. This simple technique is perfect for everything from project management to scheduling and analyzing time-based data more effectively. Happy calculating!